Lost access to your Bifrost wallet? Feeling that familiar pang of digital dread? You're not alone. It happens. Maybe you got a new phone, accidentally deleted the app, or perhaps your device decided to take an unscheduled swim. Whatever the reason, the thought of losing your valuable crypto assets can be unsettling. But take a deep breath. Restoring your Bifrost wallet is often a straightforward process. Before we dive in, let's quickly recap what a Bifrost wallet is. Think of it as your secure digital vault for managing various blockchain assets, all within a single, user-friendly application. It empowers you to interact with decentralized applications, dApps, participate in staking, and seamlessly transfer your cryptocurrencies across different networks. Losing access to this hub can feel like losing the keys to your crypto kingdom. Now, the crucial element that makes restoration possible, your recovery phrase. This is a unique set of 12 or 24 words that Bifrost generated when you first created your wallet. Treat this phrase like the master key to your digital vault. Write it down accurately, store it securely offline, and never share it with anyone. This sequence of words is the only way to regain access to your funds if you lose your device or wallet data. So, how do you actually use this recovery phrase to bring your Bifrost wallet back to life? The process is generally similar across different platforms, iOS and Android, but let's walk through the typical steps. First, you'll need to download and install the Bifrost Wallet application on your new or reset device. You can usually find the official app on your device's app store. Double-check that you're downloading the genuine Bifrost Wallet app to avoid potential scams. Once the app is installed, don't tap on Create a new wallet. Instead, look for an option like Restore Wallet, Import Wallet, or I already have a wallet. This is your gateway to using your recovery phrase. You'll then be prompted to enter your recovery phrase. This is where accuracy is paramount. Carefully and precisely type in each word in the exact order it was originally given to you. Pay close attention to spelling and capitalization. Even a single misplaced or misspelled word can prevent the restoration process from working. After entering your recovery phrase, the app might ask you to set up a new password or PIN for accessing your wallet on this specific device. Choose a strong and unique password that you haven't used elsewhere. This new password secures your wallet on this particular device, but isn't a replacement for your recovery phrase. In some cases, especially if you had multiple accounts or used specific derivation paths within your Bifrost wallet, you might be asked to provide additional information during the restoration process. This could include selecting the specific networks you were using or confirming the derivation path for certain assets. If you're unsure about these details, try the default options first. If your balances don't appear, you might need to explore other derivation paths you might have used. Once you've correctly entered your recovery phrase and any other required information, the Bifrost Wallet app will begin the process of restoring your accounts and associated balances. This might take a few moments depending on the number of assets and network activity. After the restoration is complete, carefully verify that all your expected assets and balances are present. It's also a good idea to send a small test transaction to another wallet you control to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Remember, your recovery phrase is your ultimate backup. Keep it safe and never share it. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.